Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting sounds v and th. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the th sound in the word that, that, that. Now the v sound in the word that, that, that. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Is that the vat? Is that the vat? Is that the vat? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.